This is the way you should be sanding. It's a sideways motion. You can go upward or downward. Either way, it's well. It is the fastest way to do it. You don't want to stay in the same spot for a long time. You can burn through the primer. Guys, I can't stress this enough. You have to use your block. If you don't use your block, you will leave wavy marks on your hood or whatever straight panel you're sanding on. And you're going to have to redo the bodywork, or you're going to leave your car all messed up. Now notice how I'm staying in a sideways position. I'm not staying in the same spot. You have to keep moving around, and you have to go sideways, either upward or downward, either way. But you're going to have to repeat it until your primer is fully smooth. An easy way to figure out when you're done sanding the primer is to spray a black paint that I'll put in the description. And you notice that you're done once you have sanded off all the black paint. And the black paint is the purpose of it is mostly to show you a few spots that you've missed with the Bondo. You have to fill it up with glaze, and I'll show a little video clip of that later on the video, so stay tuned. In this video I won't be showing you how to apply glaze, but if you would like me to, please comment and I'll take a video on that. It's pretty easy, just let me know. If you are bored of watching me sand this hood, skip 45 seconds ahead so you can get to the point where I show you where you will find the spots where you're going to need to use glaze. And then if you want me to make a video on that, make sure to comment, let me know. Glaze is a thinner filler that helps fill in imperfections.
Yeah. Let's go. Nigga. Let's go.
Are you insane like been in pain like or $100 bottle of champagne like just pour that motherfucker down the drain like would you use your water bill to try to stain like me? Are you high enough?
So remember, whenever you sand like this. It's the most efficient way to sand. So while the camera isn't focusing, you can still see there's like black spots on there. That's the black paint that I used. And what I'm showing you here is where there's a black spots is the part where I'm not done, and where there's no black parts, that's where I'm done. It's all smoothed out. Now you're ready to sand every straight panel of this car. It's basically the same thing on a panel that's not straight. It's just without the block, and that's it.
Like a motherfucker trying to find a way to take it. Take plenty of time to author ridiculous text. I've been giving you real even though I'm really with stress. So 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, 4. I grab for help but nobody responded. My emotions gone, yeah, they all have been on. My self-esteem left in my car, this corner. Got all of this pain that I did with alone. Loud. $100
bottle of champagne like just pour that motherfucker down the drain like.
So this is the finishing product of the hood that I was sanding. And in a little bit I'll be showing you the little spot where I found where I'm gonna need to put glaze on. It's right there. You see that, guys? So you just put glaze and you resand it. Make sure to make it smooth. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure to subscribe and like. Keep me motivated to keep posting for you guys.